Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn Introduction to JavaScript. Before you watch this tutorial, make sure that you have watched Intro to HTML and Introduction to CSS. Now we click on File, Open Folder, and now we go into Document and then Project and click on Select Folder. Now we are going to click on our Projects folder and click on New File and name it index.js, and now we press Enter. You right click on the HTML file and click on Copy Path, and then click on our browser and paste the path into the search bar. Now you can see everything that we have done before. Now we right click on the page and click on Inspect, and then we go into Console. There is currently nothing in the console, but we can write code in it. So to write code, first write console.log hello. Now if we press enter, it is going to say hello. Now we open index.js. Now we are finally going to put it into use. In index.js, write console.log hello. Now we save this and reload our browser. You see that it says hello. This console.log, it logs something into the console. Now let me also teach you about variables. If you want to create a variable in JavaScript, we can either write var and then the variable name and then its value, which is hello. If we want to create variables, instead of writing var, instead we can write let, or we can just write the variable name and then the value of the variable. This is a string. If you want to make a string, first you have to write quotes. These quotes, inside of the quotes, then you write the string. A string can be a word, a piece of text, or a sentence. And the last type I want to tell you is integers. Integers can be numbers like 1 or 19, but they cannot be decimals like 19.5. Now, we want this to say 19. So the first way we can do it is by writing console.log 19. Now we go to our browser and reload it. Now it says 19. And another way to do it is by using these special type of quotes, and we can only write you can only write strings. If we try to do this, and we reload it, it's going to say 19. Another way you can do this is by using these special types of quotes, and then we write $, curly braces, and then we write the name of the variable, which is hello. And if we save this and reload our browser, it is going to say 19. Now, you can also write document.write hello. Now if we save this and reload our browser, you can see this. But instead of doing that, we can write h1/h1, and then if we save this and reload our browser, you can see that the text is now a h1. And in the console, you can also see our code by going into Elements. Now we can see our code, and you can see this h1 tag. This is the h1 tag we added from here. Instead of doing this, we can write h1 is equal to h1/h1 hello. And then we use these special types of quotes, and then we write $h1. If we save this and reload our browser, it's going to lead to the same result. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel ObaCode. Bye!